Hello coders, we are back again with the same dataset scenario. The data is same, but this time we will be using Vlookup. So what is the Vlookup? It will be searching a lookup value. The lookup value will be for a particular subject. So this one here, give me a cell color, maybe bad. So equal to Vlookup. Fine. So Vlookup will be searching this lookup value within a table array. So this is my selection. Always remember, in case of VLOOKUP, the searching is from the table selection. So table array, sorry, not this. You need to select the whole of the table. So in VLOOKUP, the lookup value is searched within a table array based on the condition that the table array which I have selected, the searching of the lookup value will be on the first column of the selection. So here in this particular selection, the first column is name. So the searching will be based on the name value, and we can find values left to it. So press a comma. It is asking for the column index number. Maybe I want to find out the value for his additional subject, computer science. So it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. So J is for 10. So we'll be giving 10, then a comma, and then the searching is of 0, means exact match. Then press enter. So under name section, again we can do a data validation. We had earlier created that for data validation. Okay, so lookup value here. Okay, the name will be given in here. Fine. So we'll be going to the data validation, and from here we will be from any value to list and equal to Narayana School. Name means name. Press enter. Here is the drop down. Let's select someone. Maybe Shomit Samanto, the last person. So Shomit Samanto has scored 80, so it's working properly. How about Deepak Ghoshal? So Deepak Ghoshal has scored 75. Let's see whether it is working properly or not. So here is Deepak Ghoshal, 75. So this is VLOOKUP and in a normal way. In the next video we will be making, so basically VLOOKUP is being used to create a child table from a big data set. So we will be creating a child table in which there will be subject marks for the science subjects. So we'll be fetching data for physics, chemistry, biology. These three subject data will be pulled out against this name. That will be our filter 4 video. So that's an advanced VLOOKUP video, and in that VLOOKUP we'll be using array function. So that's all for this video. This is filter 3. See you again for filter 4 video. Thank you guys and happy coding.